The best thing about being an orthodontist and any dental professional is really the ability to help people, take care of people and improve their health. You have to provide great customer service there and all the way through until they walk out the door with whatever procedure they had done.
We're a pediatric dental and orthodontic practice, so we see patients as early as 7 days of age. I love orthodontics specifically because it's a fun environment. Kids love to come see us, and the before and after the transformation a patient goes through is pretty amazing.
When I was in 6th grade, I had braces and decided that that's what I wanted to do. I see the patients over usually a course of 2 years, so you get to know them pretty well. And being in a pretty small town, I know a lot of the families that I treat.
I just want kids to think back when they came here that they had a great time and that we wanted them to not be afraid and to know that we truly do care about them. Not only do we care about our patients, but we care about each other and what's going on in our lives and with our families.
Unfortunately, they don't teach you anything about business in dental school. They don't teach you anything about doing payroll or payroll taxes or accounting or accounts receivable. I'm kind of at the stage in my life where I'm ready to start slowing down and work less and have less responsibility.
Being in dentistry for 25 years, being a solo practitioner, and having the whole business rely on me being there every day, you start thinking about, what if I break my leg? What if I get sick and need long-term care? Who's going to take care of my patients? Who's going to take care of my team?
We're 15 years in and looking at the future of dentistry and healthcare. We think Rock has the best model to sustain and support providers that want to provide great care, but do it in a cost-effective way. In my opinion, Rock's the best at doing that.
We're taking part of the back office load off of these doctors so that they can concentrate and do what they do best, which is what they're trained for, which is to take care of patients. Since we are provider-led and organized that way, that's been our focus, quality, and make for sure we do what's best for our patients.
Rock Dental Brands afforded me the opportunity to still come in and be an orthodontist in the same practice, treat patients the way that I've always treated them, work with my same staff, but not have to deal with the management part of it.
I'd owned a practice for 14 years, and I just felt like I wanted to be with a group who was owned by dentists, who had practiced dentistry, and who understood what it's like to own a business and to provide excellent patient care and to have good values that aligned with what I felt like our office's core values were.
The dirty little secret in our profession is most doctors spend their entire career very alone in their practices, and they look to someone to help grow it or help make it more successful. And I think when they go searching for solutions, they find a lot of conflicting advice, and Rock has had some wonderful principles in place all along that'll help us achieve that faster, I think.
And I've been practicing in my current location for the last 32 years, and I think Rock Dental, they were wise to know, hey, there's no need for us to just completely rebrand you. Here I am, 10 years after I sold my practice, and it's still Mangan Dental Group.
We specifically say we serve those who serve our patients, and that also means that this is not corporate dentistry. We do not come in and have a corporation, we have a support center. There's not a corporate office, it's a support center. And we wake up every day focused on, how do we help our doctors? How do we make sure that they have the supplies they need? How do we make sure they have the staff that they need?
I have been on many teams in my career, and I've never been on a team with such a strong bridge between different areas of the business. So operations to finance is typically an area that might butt heads. That's not the case here.
We work to take all the distractions out of the clinic so that the teams in the clinics can focus on patient care. We lead procurement, facilities, training, go-to-market, and our patient experience team.
We support our providers by taking the hassle out of the billing experience, collection rate, negotiating fee reimbursement with the carriers, and that allows our providers to focus more of their attention on patient care and not have to stay up at night or weekends thinking about the billing aspect of the company.
Compliance is about having one less thing on the business side that you have to worry about. That translates into good quality patient care.
We put together marketing plans that include everything from digital marketing to social media to grassroots events, and then any other things that they feel like they need for their community.
Our team really focuses on creating those exceptional patient experiences through tone and connection, through empathy and understanding. And so it's not uncommon for a patient to call in and say, I'm in some serious tooth pain. And so we always lead with compassion and lead with care.
I want it to be a fun space for the families to go. I want it to be something that kids look forward to going to, just to kind of create a great experience for the family as a whole.
You know, if there's some employee issues or someone's not as happy at work, we're able to help provide the support that that provider needs so that the employee satisfaction improves, their employees are enjoying coming to work.
Throughout the entire integration process, through the purchasing process, we want to make sure that we're the group of choice for our providers to gather information easily for them to make the transition as smooth as possible.
When it comes to providing service, the better we are equipped to serve our providers, the more likely they are to provide efficient service to the patients.
For me, it's knowing that I'm with people I can trust. I do spend a lot of time with my kids, and we play golf a lot. Actually getting to leave the office and leave the office at the office and go home and be a dad.
I like that Rock Dental really take care of their employees. They have a great benefit package. I wanted to feel like I'm providing care that's truly what people need.
I can't say I quite doubled my income, but it was really close. All of a sudden, I had somebody who was doing all the stuff that was eating up my time.
I've been able to spend less time coming in doing the administrative duties and doing more things that I enjoy. I can think of 2 words: no regrets.
If we focus on taking great care of our patients, then the business will take care of itself.